Let me show you how you can import data into Pipedrive from a file or a cloud app. In this video, I will show you how to import contacts and deals into Pipedrive. You can do import with Import to Wizard, a third-party import tool. There are two options of import into Pipedrive. First, set up Pipedrive CSV import to add new and update existing records in Pipedrive. Or import data directly from another cloud app. I will show this option later in this video. We start with an option to import from a CSV file. We will set up contacts import. I opened my CSV with contacts in Google Sheets. You can update fields on contacts and import new contacts in Pipedrive at once. I will walk you through step by step. To start using Import to Wizard, go to import2.com. You can start a free trial on Import to Wizard to check it out first. Type in your name, email, and select a password to sign up. Then start a new CSV import. When doing import into Pipedrive, you have three options. You can import new records and add contacts. It's called import. Update existing contacts with new data, update. Or select a combination of those two. Import new contacts and update data on existing contacts. This is called upsert. I will use this option. Upload a CSV file with contacts and press Continue. Start here with the upsert settings. You can change default settings if you wish. I want Wizard to find contacts to update by email. Then select how you want the Wizard to update contacts. Override the values or not. In my case, I will select to override values in Pipedrive with values in my CSV. Then use drop-down menus to match columns in a CSV and a corresponding field in Pipedrive. This is called mapping. Map the fields you want to update. Once ready, press to start the import. On the next step, you can review results, how many contacts were created or updated, and also you have a link to open a record directly in Pipedrive. Another option is to import data into Pipedrive without CSV files. We will set up Deals import into Pipedrive. On your Import to Wizard account, select App-to-App Import. First, select an app you import from. I will import Deals from HubSpot, but your deals might be in any other app. Then select Pipedrive. Then again, you have three options. You can import new records, update existing deals, or select a combination of those two. And on the next step, select Update Settings and do mappings. That's it! You have learned how to import data into Pipedrive and do Pipedrive bulk updates. Subscribe now to our channel not to miss videos about import and export of business data. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions back to us.